During the 2611 trial, a small girl had deposed in court and recognized the terrorist Kasab, who was sitting in the dock facing the trial for the entire terror attack. At that time, Devika had been promised orally by certain people that she would be given a house. In spite of the long pending trial getting over, in spite of that, that house actually never fructified. She never got the house. And that's one of the reasons why she approached the Bombay High Court asking for an implementation of that order, of that promise that she had been made. However, in spite of all that, actually that the house promise never really fructified even now. But looking at the way the government was behaving, the Bombay High Court came down very heavily on the government and today said quite a bit. Let's speak to Kunika Sadanand, who represents Devika Rotawan. Ma'am, what exactly did the High Court say today?
So today the High Court has come down very strongly on the government. They had been asked to file an affidavit taking responsibility of whatever decision they've made. But the file that was presented in front, the housing file that was presented in front of the court, they checked the file and they have taken it on record and they have noted certain lacunas in that. And they have said that we want this file and this whole appeal to be put before the minister, because the Secretary of Housing has taken this decision and without an affidavit. And then once the minister decides if they're not happy with the decision, they will open up all the other files of the allotments of the economic weaker section house allotments. This is because the judge strongly feels that human rights has been violated. She has been a victim and a witness. And she's faced threats, she's suffered trauma, her life has gone awry. She was thrown out of school, she was not, because she was deposing in as a witness, so the school authorities say, we don't want you, our children are in danger. She still continues to go to the court and for the state, she's still working as a responsible citizen for the state. And I think that is what the judge took note of, and the peculiar circumstance of a 9-year-old victim plus witness in this matter.
Okay. So the court very clearly said that, if the court really does not like what the state decides in the next 2 weeks, then it would actually set up a high power committee. It will see to it that all those allotments that have been done in the past many years, those are scrutinized by a high power committee. So certainly, quite a bit of pulling up of the government really did happen in the Bombay High Court today, and the state has been clearly said that they have to take a decision in the next 2 weeks and come back to the court with that. Vidya in Mumbai for India Today.